This module is on furniture, finishing touches and how to create a sample board. So firstly, furniture. Furniture, fittings and equipment are movable furniture items, and they're either they're fixtures and other equipment that we have to think that they're not permanent. They are not connected to the structure of the building. So it's things that a client at the end of the day can take with them when they move. So the definition of furniture, fittings and equipment from interior design, which is short for FF&E, includes the design, the selection, the specification, colour coordination and procurement documentation of the required items necessary to meet the functional, operational, sustainability and aesthetic needs of the facility. So FF&E includes a placement of plans, offering a finish and information on all the freestanding furnishings and accessories and cost estimates. So basically it's a package that we have put together for a client, and they can see how the things are going to cost, how it's going to be placed on our plan and our scheme. So it's a separate, there are certain jobs in interior design where people just do FF&E and they put these packages together. So as interior designers we will select, specify colours, fabrics and furniture and finishes. When we select furniture styles and function of that, we have to make sure that it coordinates with the client's requirements. So things like seating or workstations, or even the things that go into the storage like files, anything like window treatment or accessories, as well as any beds or wardrobes. So everything really that, if you pack up a house, they're the FF&E types of what we're designing for somebody. So even the window treatment is considered that. So things like we need to consider when we are doing a design, it's the function and the ergonomics that go into the product, and the maintenance and the durability. So we have to make sure that we don't design something that is going to break 2 weeks later, because as a designer we need to make sure that the clients are getting the best possible items, and we're recommending the best possible items, because otherwise if we didn't, we wouldn't be doing our job properly, and also we wouldn't get any recommendations. So normally the designer will work directly with the client and then update them with what they need, and assess what they need, and develop a list of the furnishings required for each of the spaces. So often as we start out, we might call this a design concept, and once this design concept has been accepted, then we go on to the project. Out of all of the different types of furniture, fittings and equipment that we design for, probably the most expensive is cabinetry, because it's designing for a house and designing for specific areas. It's not only the materials that sometimes are more expensive because they're custom made, it's the fact that it's labour intensive to make, and also the carpenter himself will charge more than somebody like a decorator or a builder, because it's a skilled work. It's something that you can get ready made, but often if somebody wants something made for themselves as a new unique piece of furniture, then often we would ask somebody to come in and we would work with the cabinetry maker to create something that is unique for them. The whole point is that it fits like a glove once it's been measured, and it has all the elements in there that you've considered, and the clients told you what they want. So it's a real bespoke piece of furniture that you and your clients have worked together to achieve this end result. And so to cut corners on this would just not work.